Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Missybeelondon Hair. You will see me create a crochet braid hair look. What you're watching me do right now is the final bit of the cornrow, the last strand of the cornrow, to show that I can cornrow / cane roll my hair. And I'm guessing you'll see the end result later on in the video, but you can see at this, well, you can't see yet because I've not turned around, but I did flat twist with the side of my head. You'll see that later on in the video anyway. So let me just continue cornrowing my hair. There's 6 cornrows at the middle bit of my head, and you'll see me create this crochet braid look further along in this video. Yes, oh sorry, I was quiet there. I don't know, I was thinking. Oh my days. Just plaiting this to the end, and now you're gonna see me twist around, hopefully. There you go, that's the look. That's the hair. You will see a better video or picture of it later on in the video. So taking it out. This is a twist braid, and what I did was just unravel it, simple to do, and separated it into 2 strands, and then used the crochet hook to do the crochet braid. Put it in, loop it through the hair, and the strand closest to your hair, to your head shall I say, you loop it through the loop, and that is how you create the invisible knot method / technique. And that is how I created the invisible knot technique / method, to make it look that there's no knot in the hair. So you loop it through the strand closest to your head, you put it through the loop, and that is how you create the method. You're going to see me do this many times as well. What do you think of the hair? The hair is very good. It was a random buy in the hair shop. You know, they've always got hair that is either too long or not in your colour, but you like it. So this is a random buy as well. Yes, it's got a kiddie's face on the front of it because I think it is for kids hair, but hey, I'm glad that I took it because it was in 1B. I don't do colour 1 because colour 1 is jet black and my hair is not jet black, so it just won't work. So 1B is more blendable with my hair, and this hair is 10 inches because yeah, it was 10 inches, and I'm so glad it was 10 inches as well, because if it was 12 inches it would be longer, and I liked it just on top of my shoulder, because on your shoulder it would get more knotty, so thank goodness for that. So yes, this hair is 10 inches. And the spray you just saw me spray was my herbal hair tea spray. I should have said that before, but I was in the middle of talking about something else, which is very good for my hair as well. So yeah, you can see me continue to do this method. So you just put the crochet hook under your cornrow, loop it through, catch the hair in the crochet in the crochet hook, put it under the strand, and then the strand that is close to your head, because there's 2, you put it through the loop, and that is how you get the invisible
okay. So I finished one
look
of this hair. Finished it. This is how it's looking so far. It's a bit too big. I've still got half a cornrow on this side to do, and I've still got this bit of the cornrow to do as well, but I'm nearly finished. So this could have been a whole pack, but maybe it's the way how I did it, and now I see I should have used less. But hey, I'm gonna push through, and hopefully, let's see. I'm tired as well. Let's see if I can kind of tame it, because it is a bit too bushy. Or maybe it's a thing that if I sleep on it, it will flatten out. But let's see. So I will continue and catch you at the end, yeah. So what do you think about this hair? I was inspired by another, I keep on doing that, so I was inspired by another YouTuber, and it's like I thought, let me do this because it's got this idea in my head, let me get the hair, yada yada yada, and I got it. Yes, as you saw, the hair was a bit, I used 8 pins to kind of flatten it, and hopefully when I sleep, because this is like nearly midnight or after midnight now, it will be more flatter. But yeah, it's fine. I will rock this style for a week because I wash my hair every week, so yeah, it's fine. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Hope you will come back to watch another hair video or another video of me talking about something or doing something. Yeah, first time doing this with this hair. I've done crochet braid in the past, but first time I separated it and did it like this. So thanks for watching. I can get used to it because it's kind of similar to my hair. I've nearly finished 2 packs. I've only got that much remaining from this hair. How many? 6? There's 12 twists in each pack, so yeah, not much to say now. I'm too tired yet. It didn't take too long. It took like an hour to install for all those 6 cornrows I had in my hair. Yeah, that's all I can say. Thanks for watching anyway. See you in the next video. Bye.